Some motorhomes are built simply to move people from one place to another. Others are designed to become part of the journey itself. This Toyota Iron Titan motorhome belongs firmly in the second category. From the moment you see it, there's a sense of confidence in its design. The bold navy blue exterior, the squared expedition stance, and the purposeful proportions all suggest that this is not a vehicle made for parking lots alone. It's designed for long distances, unpredictable terrain, and extended living without compromise. Everything about it feels intentional, from the materials chosen to the way the interior spaces are organized. This motorhome isn't trying to imitate a house or a hotel. It's built as a mobile base, strong, controlled, and refined in its own way. One of the most important elements that defines how this motorhome feels on the road is its suspension system. The Iron Titan is engineered to remain composed no matter what's happening underneath it. Whether the road is smooth asphalt, broken gravel, or uneven off-road terrain, the suspension works continuously to absorb shocks and reduce vibration. This translates directly into the interior experience. Cabinets don't rattle, the floor feels stable underfoot, and even when conditions outside are rough, the cabin remains calm. The suspension isn't just about capability, it's about comfort over long distances. It allows the motorhome to glide forward with confidence, protecting both the vehicle and the people living inside it. Stepping into the interior, the first space that welcomes you is the lounge area, and it immediately sets the tone for the rest of the motorhome. This is a compact, cozy space designed for real use. The seating wraps around in a U-shaped layout, creating a sense of enclosure without feeling tight. Navy blue wall panels anchor the space visually, clearly tying the interior back to the exterior identity of the motorhome. The seating itself balances comfort and structure, with deep cushions that support rather than sink. At the center sits a small round table, minimal in design, holding a single vase. It's a subtle detail, but it adds just enough warmth to keep the space from feeling overly utilitarian. Warm golden lighting runs softly along the ceiling edges and beneath the seating, creating an inviting atmosphere that works equally well during the day or at night. This lounge isn't meant to impress loudly. It's meant to be lived in. Quiet conversations, morning coffee, or simply watching the landscape pass by through the expedition-style windows. Adjacent to the lounge is the kitchen and dining area, designed with efficiency and durability in mind. The layout is linear and clean, ensuring that everything is within easy reach. The countertop is finished in a dark composite material that feels solid and practical, while still looking premium. A deep stainless steel sink sits neatly beside the induction cooktop, both flush-mounted to maintain a seamless surface. Storage cabinets line the wall above and below, finished in navy and dark gray tones, with reinforced hardware and lockable mechanisms to keep everything secure while moving. Instead of a separate dining table, the kitchen integrates a slim dining counter extension with 2 stools tucked neatly beneath it. The stools feature navy seating surfaces and matte black frames, continuing the color story without adding clutter. Lighting here is focused and warm, with under-cabinet LEDs illuminating the workspace and a soft ceiling light highlighting the dining area. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the bedroom offers a noticeable shift in mood. This is a private space, intentionally separated from the more active areas of the interior. The bed is fixed and neatly made, with the bedsheet tucked cleanly, a blanket folded with care, and pillows arranged symmetrically. There's no sense of randomness here. Everything looks calm and prepared. A compact side table sits beside the bed, topped with a small lamp that emits a warm, gentle glow. Underbed lighting adds another layer of comfort, softly illuminating the floor without disturbing the rest of the space. The ceiling design remains simple and modern, with recessed lighting channels that keep the room feeling open despite its compact footprint. Black-framed windows with blackout blinds allow complete control over light and privacy, making the bedroom ideal for rest regardless of time or location. Next comes the dressing area, and this is where the Iron Titan's practicality really shines. This space is fully enclosed, with no windows, allowing every inch of wall surface to be used for storage. The entire wall is dedicated to cupboards and wardrobes, creating a highly organized dressing zone. Tall cabinets on both sides stand half open, revealing neatly hung clothes illuminated by integrated interior lighting. Shelves hold folded garments and storage boxes, while lower compartments accommodate shoes and heavier items. At the center, a full-height mirror is framed subtly in black, making the space feel larger and more functional. This dressing area isn't decorative. It's designed for extended travel, where organization matters. The bathroom continues the theme of logic and usability. Rather than an open wet room layout, this bathroom clearly separates dry and wet zones. A compact modern commode sits centrally, positioned to remain usable without interference from the shower. Opposite it, a small sink is integrated into a vanity cabinet, providing storage for toiletries and essentials. The shower area is enclosed with a glass partition, keeping water contained and the rest of the bathroom dry. Materials are chosen for durability and ease of cleaning, with navy waterproof wall panels, matte black surfaces, and anti-slip flooring. Lighting is warm and functional, with ceiling illumination supported by subtle mirror lighting above the sink. A small frosted window provides ventilation while maintaining privacy. Everything here feels straightforward, clean, and well thought out. Finally, after exploring all the living spaces, attention returns to the cockpit. This is where the Iron Titan truly shows its modern, tech-forward side. The cockpit is designed as a luxury Toyota command center, blending innovation with reliability. The dashboard features a wide digital instrument cluster paired with a large central infotainment screen, presenting navigation, vehicle data, and system controls clearly. Physical knobs and buttons remain present for key functions, ensuring that essential controls are always accessible, even in challenging conditions. The steering wheel carries Toyota branding and integrates media and driving controls, while the seats offer firm support for long journeys. Navy and charcoal tones dominate the cockpit, accented by brushed metal trim and warm amber lighting that runs along the dashboard line. Visibility is excellent, and the entire space feels focused, modern, and ready for serious travel. This Toyota Iron Titan motorhome is built for people who value capability as much as comfort. It's not about excess luxury or flashy design. It's about creating a reliable, comfortable, and cohesive living environment that can move confidently through the world. So the real question is this: if you had this motorhome, where would you take it first, and how long would you stay out there before coming back?